Look at her butt. It is so big. She looks like one of those rap guys' girlfriends. But you know, who understands those rap guys? They only talk about her because she looks like a total prostitute, okay? I mean, her butt is just so big. I can't believe it's just so round. It's like out there. I mean, gross. Look, it's just so black. I like big butts, and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny that when a girl walks in with an itty-bitty waist and a round thing in your face, you get sprawled, want to pull up tough, cause you notice that butt was stuffed. Deep in the jeans she's wearing, I'm hooked and I can't stop staring. Oh baby, I wanna get with ya and take your picture. My homeboys tried to warn me, but that butt you got makes me so horny. Ooh, rumpa smooth skin. You say you wanna get in my biz? Well, use me, cause you ain't that average groovy. I've seen her dancing, the hell with romancing. She's sweat, wet, got going like a turbo vet. I'm tired of magazines saying flat butts are the thing. Take the average black man and ask him that she gotta pack much back. So fellas, yeah. Has your girlfriend got the butt? Hell yeah. Tell them to shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake that healthy butt. Baby got back. LA fits with the Oakland booty. LA fits with the Oakland booty. Baby got back.